Imagine that you just landed on a new city, let's say it's Japan. You have no idea where anything is, you are completely lost, you have no idea where to go. But when you open Google Maps, you know exactly where you are, you know exactly where you're going, and you know the difference between the two. Now imagine running a business without a map. You have leads coming in, but you don't know which ones are warm, and you have no idea where the money is actually coming from. This is what's like running a business without a sales pipeline. And most service businesses are doing exactly that. But what if you could earn an extra free $97 every month by giving business owners a clear picture of exactly where their money is coming from? Most service businesses, they have leads coming from all over the places. They have ads, they have referrals, they have social media, but they don't have a system to keep track of any of it. This is exactly where you can come in and offer a service to create one visual pipeline that shows every lead, every stage, and every deal, so nothing gets lost and the owner finally feels in control and know what's going on their business. If you've been watching this mini series where I share with you the 5 beginner-friendly services that you can offer to make recurring income, this is going to be the most complex one, but don't worry, if you want something easier, something just to get started, you can go back to video number 1 where I show you a simple automation that you can charge $97 a month. Because this system that I'm gonna show you a quick demo here is by far the most complex one in this series, and that's why you can charge at least free $97 a month per client. The big problem that you are going to be solving here is clarity, because most businesses, they are literally flying blind. Leads come in, but they have no system to tracking them and knowing what stage they are. The owner just keeps everything into a messy spreadsheet or just in their head. And businesses without a pipeline lose 20 to 30% of deals to follow-up gaps. And the solution that you can create here is by giving them a CRM that they can keep track of everything, of every lead that comes into their business. Every lead has a stage, and every stage has a custom automation. And when the owner opens that dashboard, they can see exactly what's going on. They can see who just inquired, who's been contacted, who received the proposal, who needs a follow-up, and who's being lost and who's being won. And that gives them immediate clarity on exactly what they need to work on and what they need to let go, and gives them data to make wise decisions on their business. But who needs this system? Well, this is definitely not for everyone. It's for those businesses that are already making, let's say, 5K to 50K a month. They have leads coming in, but they don't have this system to follow up. They don't have this automation. So this can be coaches, consultants, marketing agencies, contractors, real estate professionals, any business that follows a sales process. But here's important that you select businesses that are in the growth stage, because they will have the funds to pay you, and they are going to be on that stage that they will need this solution. Because if you just pick a business that is literally starting right now and have no clients, they don't have this problem and they won't have the money to pay you as well. And if you use GoHighLevel, I can show you a very quick demo of how that can look like. If you go to your GoHighLevel account, go to opportunities, and you can create many pipelines here, many like different things that you want to track. So for example, I just created a demo here, and you can see the different stages. So you can add as many stages as you need for that business. So for example, we have a new lead coming in, he was contacted, he had a proposal sent or booked a call, showed up for the call, and if they closed or if they didn't close. So you can see everything in a glance. And for each of those stages, you can set up automations that go automatically. And the biggest benefit of doing everything high level is because you can do everything literally in one software, and you can have multiple clients. You can literally set up this pipeline and you can connect with the automations that you build, so everything just runs smoothly and you can see everything that is going on. And because this is a very high value service, you can charge free $97 a month per client. And to make this even more valuable, you can again analyze what does that business actually need and what can you offer to make this service even more valuable. You can offer the sales pipeline, you can offer a setup for them to integrate with the other platforms that they use. You can offer the management of this sales system. You can start by offering a simple service like the first video where I shared the missed call text back, or you can offer the booking system or the review automation or the lead follow-up, or you can add them all together. As you start building up your skills, you can just bundle and see what the client needs and offer different services for them. So you can charge more and just stay with less clients. You can just like charge, for example, $1,000 a month for one client to have all these systems in place, and you can manage them all. I don't care how much they will pay you, if it's just $47 or if it's $1,000 a month. I just want you to close your first client, because that's how you're gonna build up your skills and get confident to pitch higher and higher offers. So just get started, just pick one, go back to video one. If you found this one a little bit too much, go back to video one, watch that automation that I showed you there, and get started from there. But you can also go back to the series and watch the previous videos, because I offered you 4 other different options that you can pick so you can start growing your income, creating more predictability, and also you are building your skills. You are literally getting paid to learn and build your skills and help other businesses grow. So it's just a win-win. Use your skills and help those businesses grow. If you enjoyed this series, let me know. Send me an email if you already got your first client. I would love to celebrate with you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.